What's going on, everyone? Trev Bucheri here, Core Capacity Transformations, here with my son Gavin, and we are traveling on our way to Denver. And a question I get all the time is, well, what do you do for travel? Because traveling is very difficult, and how do you actually stay on the plan? Because again, either you're on the plan or you're off the plan. So we choose to stay on the plan. And I'm gonna show you exactly how we're doing it. So right now, Gavin's actually having a snack. He's having his clementine, just had his peanut butter and jelly sandwich. But here's how I stay on the plan right here. I'm gonna show you actually my cooler. Now, this is actually a couple smoothies that I packed, and I already drank those. Just kind of go through here. I've got my lentils, because that's what I'm doing for my meals, but I've got these all packed. I'm bringing them with me. Got a bunch of bananas. You know what? Some of them make it, but some of them kind of get sacrificed, which you can see here. A couple of them are a little dead, but that's okay. That's why I overpack them. I've got my dates for my smoothies, have lemons for my smoothies. Yes, that is a mini blender, literally right inside here. So we're basically ready to rock and roll. I've got everything for while we're traveling. And then, when we actually get to the hotel room, we have groceries that have already been shopped for and delivered. It's amazing what you can do now with, say, Instacart, and we ended up actually using Amazon this particular time, and they deliver right to your hotel. So number one, it saves you cash because it's so much cheaper to get the food delivered than it is to actually go out for every single meal, and it enables you to keep on target with exactly what your goals are. So again, if you're failing to plan, you're planning to fail, and that's what it comes down to. So there it is, food prep while we're traveling, and it's so easy and convenient with all the different things that we have at our access now with the technology and the options that we have today, that there are no excuses anymore. So success to everyone. That's what it's all about here. So thank you so much for joining us. We're gonna get back to traveling. We got a flight in a couple minutes, but I just wanted to tune in here and share. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. Thank you all so much for watching, and crush it. Take care.